Welcome back. Now, before we can use Evernote, we have to have an Evernote account. If you already have one, that's fine. You can use the one that you already have been using, or you can create a new one just for playing around with this course. But we're going to start by learning how to create an Evernote account online. And then secondly, we're going to learn how to download and install Evernote onto our desktop. So with that said, let's head on over to www.evernote.com and let's get started. Okay, so here we are on the Evernote sign up page. All you need to do is click the sign up button. And for the purposes of this course, which is really just a beginner's course, all we need is the free account. You can upgrade later if you decide you want to. The premium account is going to be $5 a month, $45 a year, and then the Evernote Business, $10 a month. That's basically per user. But as I say, for our learning purposes, everything we need is in the free account. So just click Continue, and then we want to put in whatever email address you want to use to sign up, and then put in a password and click Register. Now, once you click the register button, you're going to be taken to your account, and this is what the online web version looks like, at least on the Mac. I'll show you Windows here in a second. But there's one more thing you need to do, and that's you need to go to the email address you used to sign up for this account. So I'll go over here, and you should see an email from Evernote, and this is the confirmation email. And this has a confirmation button which you're going to click, and that'll confirm that you actually wanted to register. And then you've got a button here, Get Evernote for Mac. Now, if you were on Windows, it would say Get Evernote for Windows. And again, we want to go ahead and install Evernote on our desktop, whether we're using the Mac or Windows. So depending upon which version you're on, go ahead and click that button and download it and install it onto your desktop. We'll be using that later. We'll start out with the web version, but we want to have that desktop version for later. It's the one that we're going to be using mostly in this course. And then let me just show you really quickly what this looks like on Windows. So on Windows, again, you're going to have the choice of downloading this for Windows, and you'll want to go ahead and do that. I would suggest that you download it to your desktop, and you can double click on that and then click Run and just follow the normal prompts that you would for installing a Windows application. I've already installed it on this desktop, so I'll close that out. But you'll want to get that up and running. And then if we go to sign in, you can see this is what the Windows version looks like online, and this is using the Chrome browser. For the purposes of this course, I'm going to try to stick to the Chrome browser whether I'm on Windows or the Mac because they look virtually identical, and I think that consistency is going to be a plus here. You obviously can use whatever browser you feel most comfortable with, but please know that although Evernote does work in multiple browsers, it doesn't always look the same in every browser. So I'm going to be using Chrome. Chrome is one of the browsers that Evernote develops for and seems to get a lot of the updates before the other browsers. Firefox is also a very good one, but as I say, for learning purposes and demonstration purposes, I'm going to stick with the Chrome browser for right now. Okay, so we'll get this out of your way, and then we'll go back here. So once you have downloaded Evernote onto your desktop and you have your account set up online, we're going to take a look at the interface here, get you comfortable with what's available and how to use it, and then we'll learn how to create our first note. So that's what we'll do in the next video.